Hi, it's Victor here from SecPoint, and today the question is, how do you get your penetrator software or portable penetrator online? In this case here, we are running on Mac OS X, and if you need the Windows version for Windows 8.1, please visit our YouTube channel to obtain that video. We can see right here the internet status is set to offline. We can see in this case here it's a problem with the gateway. It could also be the DNS problem or something else. What can be the reason that you are not connected to the internet? First of all, if we go here to the settings and to the network adapter, we can see this one here is set to NAT mode. Depending on how you are connected to the internet, if you're connected with a Wi-Fi connection, a LAN cable, or via a mobile device, a 3G, a 4G device, or for example if you're connected via your smartphone, then it can depend on how it can get the internet. So in this case here on NAT mode, we are not connected to the internet, and now I will set it to bridge mode. After that, we simply go to the system, network settings, and the IP here, and then we will set it to DHCP mode. In some cases, it will already happen automatically when you start up the software. It will go for the DHCP, depending on how your setup is. So we are now seeing here on the internet status, and we will just click it, and now it's refreshing the status so we can see if it is getting online. Sometimes it can take just a little while. You see now here it says gateway online, and we'll go back to the home, and now it is perfect. So what you need to do is simply go to the settings, network adapter, and make sure it is set to bridge mode. And it could also be the other way around, that you are running in bridge mode but you are not online, and in that case you will set it to NAT mode and go and do the same with the DHCP settings. In other cases you are not able to use DHCP if the target network is not supporting DHCP, and you need to put in a static IP address depending on your configuration. If you still have any problems by setting it up, just contact our live chat support and we can help you as fast as possible. So have a nice day, and please visit secpoint.com. Thank you.